What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So ever since I started making YouTube videos, I've always wondered whether I should be using my phone or GoPro to record third-person footage. So today's video is just going to be a short one looking at my S21 Ultra versus my GoPro Hero 9 and just seeing which one is best suited for the job. So they're both recording at 4K and 30 FPS, and the GoPro is set to linear with flat color and low sharpening, and then like usual I added contrast, saturation and sharpening in the editing process. And also the GoPro has wind mufflers, whilst obviously my phone does not, which I think is quite noticeable in the final result. So I've got 5 clips to show you, and let's take a look at them now.